This video is brought to you by Grandeur Warranty, your #1 online source for factory-backed extended warranties in the country.
Hey Andre, last time we did a drag race, this V8 Coyote powered Ford easily beat the Hemi. So you think just because you brought a little two-door shorty truck, you can take me?
Roman, you're in a surprise of a lifetime. Just look on the side. What do you see right there on the passenger side?
Oh my! Those look like some mighty big exhausts. Okay, so you got free flow exhaust. You want me to be scared of that?
All right, well, stage up and we'll find out in this drag race what's what.
Thanks to our friend Charlie. I'm in his
shop truck, and it's hiding a secret.
Oh, did you chip it or something? What's the secret, Andre?
No, it has to do with something that's sitting on top of the engine.
Is there a hood on top of the engine?
Yes.
By the way, is that four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive?
It's a little two-wheel drive truck, and it's pretty handsome.
How much lighter is a two-door shorty F-150 Coyote?
Well, because it's two-wheel drive, because it's a two-door cab and short bed, I think I got you about 1,000 pounds, my friend.
All right, well, that is significant, but I'm still not all that worried.
Unless you're being sneaky. Andre, are you being sneaky?
I'm very sneaky.
I think Andre's being sneaky.
So guys, what Roman doesn't know is that I'm in a factory truck. It's actually a Ford Performance Whipple supercharger, a 3-liter supercharger that you can get installed at your dealership. And it takes the horsepower from 400 to 700, and it's under warranty.
Hey, by the way, I'm also sneaky, so let's just do this.
I'm in sport mode. The rear locking differential is enabled. It's two-wheel drive, and then the locker should disable for me automatically. And then we should be good to go.
3, 2, 1, go!
He's off. He's way off. When I mean way off, I mean like way off. Like he's crossing the finish line now and I'm still accelerating. There we go. Ouch, Andre, that hurt. That hurt. What the heck?
Where were you? Where are you at?
I'm behind you, Andre. Of course I'm behind you.
Roman, this is a Ford Performance Whipple supercharger you can get at your dealership.
Yeah, I was afraid of that. What was your time?
My quarter mile was 13.37 and my 0 to 60 was 5.4. So I think there's still something left in this truck. I'm just getting to know it now.
Yeah, that's quick. My quarter time was 16.15 and 0 to 60 was 8.38, which is, pretty respectable for what is in essence an off-road truck. But you better get to know it because I am also sneaky, Andre. I brought a different vehicle because I figured you would try to pull something like that.
What did you bring?
I will surprise you. You surprised me with a supercharger. I'm going to surprise you with what I brought. And I will give you a hint. It's not supercharged.
Howdy.
Howdy.
How was my takeoff? Were my tires spinning much?
Didn't spin at all.
Okay.
I mean, if it was very minimal.
Well, because I cannot hear the tires,
yeah.
Because there is other noises,
right?
Which is very, very good noises. Yeah. So I did a 13.3 quarter mile. Yeah. I think it's got a little bit more in it. Yeah. Plus, if this was a prepped surface, like a drag strip surface, yes.
All right, Andre. So I said I brought something that is a V8 that's not supercharged, but that is red. You're about to find out, my man, because this is going to be a classic Ford versus Chevy. Can you guess what I brought?
It looks like you brought TFL's Corvette C8.
It's only fair. You got 2 doors. I got 2 doors.
Yeah, but you're a purpose-built sports car, mid-engine.
Lightweight, although it's not modified. Is your car modified?
It is not modified. Well, you're a purpose-built sport truck, so what?
I agree. This should be good.
Are you going to be using your launch modes?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. I don't think so, Andre. I think I can take you even without launch mode.
Are you getting cocky now or what?
Make it fair. I'll keep it in sport mode. You have it sport mode. Look, V8, you know, classic Chevy versus Ford. I may be a little lighter than you, but, you know, you've got more horsepower, right? I've only got 485. What do you got?
700 horses.
You've got, you know, forced induction. I don't have that. So that's also good up here at a mile above sea level. So this should be closer than you think.
3, 2, 1, go, go!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Dang it.
Oh, I see him in my rearview mirror. And he's not catching up.
Come on. Bring it in.
Oh, that was much fun. Much fun. Let's see what the Corvette did here, huh?
Think I'm hitting the speed limiter at quarter mile near, what, 111? I don't know. It's showing 104, but GPS says 110, 111.
Quarter mile, 12.78. That's not using any launch control. 0 to 60 in 4.6. Good boy, Corvette.
Did you smell that Corvette exhaust, Andre? Were you enjoying the smell of that burnt gasoline? No, I was riding a wild wave of power.
Apparently it wasn't all that wild. He came like 3 seconds behind me.
So what I was doing there is I gave it a lot more brake torquing before I launched, and I think I spun him.
Yeah, I didn't give it any brake torquing. I just floored it. Shall we try a roll race to see if that'll even things up?
Yeah, I think we should.
This Corvette is actually 5 years old. It looks new, but we are protected because we have GrangerWarranty.com. And you can too. We actually bought extended warranty from Granger, and it already helped us out. We saved some money. And no matter if you have a truck or a car, anything, check out GrangerWarranty.com by clicking on the link below, and you too can save some money.
You spun all the way past them, probably 100, 150 feet worth of spinning the tires.
So I'm finding both limits.
Yeah.
The no spin limit and also full spin.
Yes, because it will kick it out and just flat out go. It doesn't. I mean, if it doesn't go, it's going to kick the tires loose. There's no in between. There's really not. Be cool.
We're gonna do a roll race.
Are you going to manual down?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, I got some coaching from the owner, Charlie.
Did he add 100 horsepower?
He whispered and added power.
I think you have a good shot at this one, Andre. I think that supercharger will be in its
Prime when you launch this thing. So, all right, let's roll it up to 30 here. All right, that's 10, 15, 18, 20, okay, 25, 30. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it took a second. He's got me.
Yes!
Come on, Vet.
This is nuts!
He's pulling away.
That noise is incredible.
What do you think about that?
I think that you won. I think you won, Andre.
Were you pulling your punches?
No, this dual clutch just takes a second before it figures it out. So you took off, and then it finally downshifted, and by the time it downshifted, you were gone, and then I couldn't catch up to you.
So we're doing this for science, of course, right? Well, let's go talk about our verdict, huh?
All right, let's talk about our verdict. But the fact is, Corvette still won.
I don't think so.
What do you mean?
Andre, I have to admit, that Corvette, that was just a little bit of fun, but I am sincerely impressed by that supercharged Coyote.
Exactly. I'm also impressed. So this truck you see here, just the way it looks with the suspension, wheels, and tires, that was about $72,000. Almost the same price as a $68,000 Tremor.
So how much would it cost us to supercharge the Tremor?
Well, Ford Performance says about $11,000 for the kit. There's could be installation costs, right? To pay the dealer for it.
All right, let us know in the comments below, should we supercharge our Tremor? And as always, this is Roman
And Andre.
saying thanks for watching, and a special thanks to our friends from Texas.
Exactly. Thanks, Charlie. Thanks, Cindy, for coming out.
They're
here.
right there. Thank you.
Oh, they're right there. And by the way, Roman, I have there's something happening with this truck.
What's that?
At the end of the race,
Yeah.
I was hitting my spid limiter.
Oh,
So
I wasn't.
I think I could have beat you still.
I wasn't hitting the speed limit in either truck, in either vehicle. I think it's time for some serious Texas barbecue. We'll see you guys next time. Ciao.